Hi everybody, Juliana here. Today is all about the famous Dalgona style whipped drink recipes. I will be showing you 5 ways to make this creamy and delicious drink different every time. If you're new here and you love videos like this, make sure to drop a like and click to subscribe to the channel. So let's start from the beginning with the Dalgona coffee. You will just need equal parts of instant coffee, water and sugar. I use honey to replace the sugar, but it's up to you. I personally like to add vanilla and cinnamon. A whisk is great, but if you have a mixer, it will be faster. Whip until you get this smooth and golden brown color. Choose your favorite cup, use hot or cold milk, and that's it. And now, let's make one matcha flavored. You will need a matcha powder. This one I got from Japan from a friend, but you can easily find it at a grocery store or even Amazon. Place a half a cup of heavy cream into 3 teaspoons of matcha powder. You can use sugar or any other sweetener you like. I'm using 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and also my matcha already have some sugar. Halfway through, add some lemon zest. You can taste and see how you like it. Place into the cup with cold almond milk. I use some of the powder on top and mint. Next, Nutella. Add 1/3 cup of cream to 1 tablespoon of Nutella. Whip until thick and smooth. I add some Nutella on the cup to give it even more Nutella taste. Put into the cup with cold milk and some chocolate shavings and enjoy. For strawberry flavor, I just use half a cup of heavy cream and 2 teaspoons of natural strawberry fruit powder, which you can find at Whole Foods or Amazon. Many people are using Nesquik, but I personally prefer natural flavor, so it's up to you. Add about 1½ tablespoons of maple syrup or sugar. I add some fresh strawberry in the milk and some mint leaves for more flavors. Enjoy with cold almond milk. Ovalmatine is my recommended flavor. This is a malt and chocolate drink. Its flavor is very delicious. You can find it in any groceries as Ovalmatine or Ovaltine. Just whip half a cup of cream and 2 tablespoons of the malted drink powder. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. It comes already sweetened, so add as you need it. I really recommend this one with cold milk. I add some powder in the milk to give it texture. So, those are my 5 Dalgona inspirations. I love them all and I hope you love them too. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.